What if I told you that right now, inside your head, there's a hidden superpower stronger than any superhero in the movies? A power that can heal your body, rewrite your future, and turn impossible dreams into reality. And most people never even realize it's there. Now without imagination. Stay with me because today we're uncovering the hidden powers of the human mind and brain you never knew existed. And trust me, by the end, you'll never look at yourself the same way again. Today we're diving deep into the most incredible machine on Earth, your brain. Not the obvious stuff like thinking or remembering. We're talking about the secret power science is just starting to understand. These aren't fairy tales. They're real-life lessons from ordinary people who tapped into them and changed everything. In the next 15 minutes, you'll discover 5 mind-blowing hidden powers, each with a powerful life lesson. Ready to unlock what's been inside you all along? Let's go. Power number 1, neuroplasticity. Your brain can rewire itself. Lesson: you're never too old, too broken, or too stuck to change. Imagine yourself being in your 60s, suffering a massive stroke that leaves half your body paralyzed. Doctors say, this is it. Learn to live with it. But one man refused. He spent hours every day imagining his arm moving, forcing his brain to fire those old pathways. Slowly, amazingly, his brain rewired itself. New connections formed, and he regained movement doctors said was impossible. This is neuroplasticity. Now let me tell you the meaning of neuroplasticity. It means your brain can change, adapt, and rewire itself throughout your life. In simple words, your brain is not fixed. Your brain's superpower to physically change its structure based on what you repeatedly think, do, and focus on. Think about it. After a breakup, you felt broken forever. But you started journaling positive thoughts, exercising, learning new skills. And one day, you woke up different. Stronger. Happier. That's your brain rebuilding itself. Life lesson: every time you practice a new habit, whether it's gratitude, exercise, or learning a skill, you're literally sculpting a better brain. You're not stuck with the brain you have, you're sculpting the brain you want. So ask yourself right now, what one small change could you start today that your future self will thank you for? Power number 2, the subconscious mind, your 24/7 silent supercomputer. Lesson: 95% of your life is run by a part of you that never sleeps. Did you know your conscious mind is like the tip of an iceberg? Now telling you the meaning of conscious mind. Your conscious mind is what you are aware of right now. It thinks logically, makes decisions, focuses attention, talks to itself, your inner voice. It can handle only a few things at once. The real power is below the surface. Your subconscious mind processes millions of bits of information every second while you're busy thinking about dinner. Athletes who visualize winning before a game, their subconscious rehearses it so perfectly that when the moment comes, it feels automatic. I once knew someone terrified of public speaking. They started repeating affirmations every night. I speak confidently and people love listening. At first, nothing. But after weeks, their subconscious took over, voice steady, words flowing. They went from panic to standing ovation. Life lesson: your subconscious doesn't know the difference between real and imagined. Feed it fear, and it builds more fear. Feed it confidence, success, love, and it builds your reality. Start tonight. Before bed, visualize your dream life for 5 minutes. Tell yourself what you want to dream about. Feel it. Your subconscious is listening and working while you sleep. But wait, what if your mind could literally heal your body just by believing? That's next. Power number 3, the placebo effect. Belief can heal your body. Lesson: what you believe becomes your biology. In studies, people with chronic pain took sugar pills labeled as powerful medicine. Many felt real relief, pain gone, mood lifted, because their brain released natural painkillers and healing chemicals. One woman with severe arthritis was given a fake injection. She believed it was real, and her inflammation dropped, mobility improved. Her belief triggered real biological change. This shows the mind-body connection is insanely powerful. Your expectations shape your health. Life lesson: stop saying I'm always sick or I'll never recover. Instead affirm, My body is healing every day. Your brain hears it and starts making it true. Imagine what could happen if you believed in your dreams as strongly as those patients believed in sugar pills. Your mind would move mountains. But there's more. Your brain can sense things before you even know why. Power number 4. Intuition and gut feelings. Your brain's hidden radar. Lesson: trust that inner voice. It's smarter than you think. Ever had a gut feeling that saved you from a bad decision? That's your subconscious spotting patterns your conscious mind missed. Neuroscience shows your brain processes subtle cues, body language, tone, tiny details, and sends you a feeling before logic kicks in. A businessman once turned down a perfect deal because something felt off. Later, the company collapsed in scandal. His intuition saved him millions. Life lesson: don't ignore those quiet nudges. They're your brain's way of protecting and guiding you. The more you listen, the stronger they get. Next time you feel that tug, pause. Ask, what is my deeper mind trying to tell me? It might just change your life. Power number 5. Unlimited potential through visualization and belief. Lesson: your imagination is the preview of your future reality. Top athletes, CEOs, and everyday winners use visualization. They mentally rehearse success so vividly that their brain treats it as real, building confidence, skills, and even physical changes. One study showed people who visualized exercising got stronger, without lifting a finger. Life lesson: your mind doesn't wait for permission. Dream big, visualize it daily, believe it's coming, and watch your brain start making it happen. You have these powers right now. Neuroplasticity, subconscious power, belief healing, intuition, visualization, they're yours. So right now here's the biggest truth. The most hidden power isn't in some faraway place. It's in you. You've been carrying superpowers all along. Today, choose one lesson. Maybe start visualizing or trust your gut more, and take action. Your brain is waiting to rewire for greatness. If this inspired you, smash that like button, subscribe for more mind-unlocking content, and drop in the comments, which hidden power shocked you the most? Let's build each other up. Thanks for watching. Now go unlock the incredible mind you were born with. You've got this. See you in the next one.